So you did brush your teeth? But you didn't brush your hair, did you? Okay, let me help you a little bit. You look silly. Get that hair out of your eyes. There we go. Oh, hi guys. How are you doing? Thanks for joining today as we blend sounds to make words. Our first word is ik. Again, ik. One more time. Ik. It's the word brick. Okay, our next word is ed. Ed. One more time. Ed. That makes thread. Now we have t-er-ak. T-er-ak. One more time. T-er-ak. What word do we get? Truck. Okay. Uh-oh, this was one that you needed today. I know. Okay, ready? B-er-ash. B-er-ash. Go ahead. B-er-ash. What is it, guys? A brush. And the last one for today is k-er-ab. K-er-ab. One more time. K-er-ab. What's the word? Crab. Okay, see you later.